In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sharpen your images using Photopea, an online photo editing tool that's free and easily accessible. Now, why might we want to sharpen an image? Well, sharpened images tend to look clearer and more focused, highlighting important details and making your pictures visually pop. Whether you're looking to improve a professional photograph or just a casual snapshot, this technique can be incredibly beneficial. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Photopea. Simply type Photopea into your search bar, and it should be the first result you see. Once you're on the Photopea website, you'll notice it looks quite similar to other photo editing software like Photoshop, so if you're familiar with those, you'll feel right at home. Now let's get started with the sharpening process. The first thing to do is locate the top navigation bar. Here you'll find a range of options like File, Edit, Image, Layer, and so on. What we need to do is find the Filter option within this menu. Clicking on Filter will reveal a drop-down list of various effects and tools you can apply to your image. Look for an option called Sharpen. Once you hover over Sharpen, another submenu will appear, and you'll want to select Unsharp Mask from this list. Unsharp mask might sound a bit counterintuitive given the name, but it's actually a classic technique used to make digital images crisper. It works by increasing the contrast along the edges in an image, which provides the perception of a sharper picture. Clicking Unsharp Mask will open a dialog box with three sliders: Amount, Radius, and Threshold. Now let's delve into what these mean. The Amount slider controls the degree of contrast applied to edges. A higher amount will make the image appear sharper, but be cautious, not too high, as it could introduce noise or give the picture an unnatural look. Next, the radius slider determines how many pixels surrounding the edges will be affected by the sharpening. A smaller radius is generally better for fine details, while a larger radius suits larger or higher contrast areas. Finally, the threshold slider sets the minimum difference in luminance or color that will be considered an edge. Lowering the threshold will result in more areas being considered edges, potentially sharpening more of the image. Take your time to adjust each of these sliders to your liking. It might be a good idea to make small adjustments and check your image often to ensure it matches your desired outcome. Keep tweaking until you're satisfied with the results. And there you have it. Your image should now appear sharper and more vibrant. Once you're done, feel free to save your file and share your improved photo with friends, family, or audience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy editing!